The 2026 Honda Motorhome represents a groundbreaking step forward in compact recreational travel, blending the brand's signature reliability with modern design, technology, and a deep understanding of the evolving lifestyle needs of digital nomads and weekend explorers. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, the 2026 model takes a refined, minimalistic approach. Its streamlined body reflects Honda's automotive roots, sleek lines, aerodynamic structure, and a futuristic silhouette that doesn't scream camper, but whispers innovation. Built on a modified version of Honda's global light truck platform, this motorhome strikes a balance between agility and utility, making it just as comfortable cruising down highways as it is navigating tighter city streets or rural trails. Inside, the motorhome surprises with how much functionality has been packed into such a compact space. The layout is a masterclass in smart design. At the rear, a modular sleeping area folds into a comfortable couch during the day and extends into a queen-sized bed at night. Beneath it, generous under-bed storage keeps clutter out of sight. On the side, a full kitchenette features a dual-burner induction cooktop, a compact convection oven, and a whisper-quiet refrigerator with an eco mode for off-grid use. Soft close drawers and magnetic locking cabinets add to the overall premium feel. One of the most notable innovations is the seamless integration of Honda's e-architecture, allowing the motorhome to run primarily on electric power. With a hybrid electric drivetrain, the 2026 Honda Motorhome offers up to 300 miles of combined range, aided by roof-mounted solar panels and a regenerative braking system. For off-grid adventurers, this means longer stays in remote areas without sacrificing basic comforts. The vehicle's smart energy management system automatically adjusts power allocation depending on user activity, prioritizing essential systems like lighting and climate control while keeping track of remaining battery life via an intuitive touchscreen interface. Tech lovers will appreciate the full suite of digital features. A 15-inch central display syncs with smartphones and tablets, offering GPS, media, and climate settings. The voice-activated assistant, tuned with Honda's latest AI integration, can help plan routes, find campgrounds, or adjust settings hands-free. Wi-Fi hotspot capability and 5G connectivity ensure that remote work or streaming is never interrupted, even in more isolated regions. Safety and comfort are equally prioritized. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system come standard. The climate control system uses Honda's air purification tech, filtering allergens and particulates, a feature especially appreciated in forested or dusty locations. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven terrain with ease. Perhaps the most remarkable part is how it feels less like a stripped-down RV and more like a tiny smart home on wheels. Whether you're a solo traveler looking for a base camp, a couple chasing national parks, or someone simply looking to unplug for the weekend without leaving the essentials behind, the 2026 Honda Motorhome redefines what's possible in mobile living: practical, stylish, and future-ready.